I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. Wanna say hi?
So we're caught up in drama. Everybody's talking, everybody's talking. We're caught up in problems. Everybody's talking, everybody's talking. Ooh. Hold up, can we make it stop? Hold up, but I'm so caught up in drama. Everybody's talking now.
What is up, guys? It's me again. If you've never been here before, I'm Deanna, and today is the video you've probably all been waiting for. Well, maybe you haven't all been waiting for it, but today is the video where I show you what my apartment looks like. So right now I'm walking down the stairs to... I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. Wanna say hi? Okay, so right now I'm standing at the bottom of my stairs to get up to my apartment. So this is what it looks like from the outside. That's my car right over there, next to that truck. So this is all around here. I'll show you this after, but this is like all the outside. It just recently got nice out too. It was just really cloudy. So you walk up those stairs and we got this little storage unit right here. There's a bunch of stuff in it right now. All of that's mainly like garbage that we're too lazy to throw out. And then these bins right here, these bins right here, our garbage goes in. So you just leave it here and people pick it up for you, which is pretty dope. And over here, behind me, so I'm walking backwards, is like this little cute balcony. That's the other entrance to our apartments. There's like that open grass over there, you know. You get like the whole gist of it, you know. So after you walk up those stairs, you go here. I'm not gonna tell you what room I am. So this is our little cute welcome mat. And then you walk in. I'm just gonna kind of walk you through the apartment, so you're not gonna see my face for a little bit, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so you walk in, and right here, these little cute things Peyton made, one of my roommates. They're like things to hang your keys on. She painted them herself, like with her hands. But so you walk in, we got like a little thermostat right there. And then this is our washer and dryer unit. It's pretty nice. This is all people's clothes we have to wash and like throw out. So you're facing here, and to the right, we have like a cute little ear wall. They're all Liz's. There she is over there. And then shoes go there. This is just like a cute little desk thing. And then we have bunnies. They're not out right now. They're usually hopping around because they're litter trained. But this is like the little crate. And then turn this way, and here's the island. We have 4 chairs. Here's the whole kitchen. And then here's the couches. And there's Liz. Okay, and then right off of the kitchen, there's a little balcony. We have a hammock, some chairs, and then this is the view. Then we're going back in. So the whole apartment has 3 different rooms. My room has 2 people, my other roommates have 2 people, and then Liz is in her own room. I'll show you those rooms right now. So, you walk in from the front door, and to your left is me, Alyssa, and Lana's bathroom. This is our bathroom. It's pretty clean right now. There's a shower. You know, all that good stuff. Okay. And then straight ahead, the earth is our neighborhood. This is my and Lana's room. So this is Lana's bed. This is mine. And then this is like the view. you know, it's pretty nice. So then over here is our closet. We got like a little Woodstock calendar. It's pretty big. And then right next to me is Alyssa's room. Their room is pretty nice too. They have their own bathroom right there, their own closet, which is pretty big. That, like, if there were a family in here, like, I guess that technically would be like master suite. So, I mean, I don't feel like opening the cabinets for you guys, but like, this is our pantry. Like, it's pretty large, and like, none of our roommates are like stingy or anything. Like, we all just like share everything. Peyton's a vegan, and like, I'm a vegetarian, so like, it works out perfectly. Shout out to Tay if you're watching this. I'm gonna actually try to get, like, to show you all my roommates, like, soon. None of them are home right now except for this thing. But you know, when they all get home, maybe I'll give you a roommate tour also. These are all decorations. And yeah. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I realized that the microphone to my camera was like not facing me whenever I would face the camera back towards me, like throughout the video. So if the audio sounds bad, like that's why. If you like this video, definitely like it. Comment below like what videos you want to see, because I'm here for 4 months, so I can do everything. And definitely try to subscribe. For those of you that don't know how to subscribe, if you have a Gmail account, you can just log into your Gmail account and then type in YouTube and then just click the red subscribe button. Click the bell also once you subscribe, because you'll get notified whenever I post. And check down below so you can follow me on all social media. And remember guys, this is your journey, so do what you want with your life and make it count. Peace out.
We break up with lovers and friends, make love to the rumors instead.